a big castle.
Yeah, look at this big castle we made. So this is really great. We got really high. You can get really big, creative, and it's so much fun. There's windows, there's multiple shapes, and there's so many blocks that you can get really, really high. Hey shoppers, today we have magnetic tiles we got from Amazon. So this is such a cool product. I'm so excited for it. My 4-year-old loves to build. It's educational. It helps him just think and develop, build. He can learn his colors. He can learn his shapes. They are magnetic and they are soft. They're not hard and rigid, so they're soft edges, which is really nice. And again, you can see the magnet inside of them, which is what helps them connect and build. There's 108 pieces, and you can see on the box that there's squares, there's windows, there's 2 little carts, woo! And then there's lots of different like windows and stuff. So if they build like a castle, then it'll actually look like a castle because it has the windows. So very, very fun, multi-color, and it does come with a little pamphlet that can give your kids ideas on what to build.